Hey everybody, Varun here once again from Language Academy. Guys, I've got someone who is very confident, very positive. He has smashed his PT exam with 8 each. Manpreet has scored 89 in listening, 89 writing, 83 in speaking and 82 in reading, 8 each and 20 points towards his permanent residency. Congratulations Manpreet, well done man. The very first thing about him guys, very positive. Whenever I used to ask him how is your preparation going, he used to straight away tell me, I am going to do it, don't worry about it. I'll smash the exam, I know I will do it, and he has done it. That's very rare, Manpreet. We normally see students, they are not confident, they doubt themselves, will they ever be able to do it or not. What kept you so positive, you so confident, and what is the key factor which helped you to score 80 in PT?
First of all, I would like to thank the whole team of Language Academy and especially Varun sir. He's absolute motivation for me, and I would like to say practice is the key. If you work hard, do a lot of practice, you will be very confident to crack the exam. That's the only thing you can do to crack the exam. Yeah,
Yes.
and so talking about practice, I keep on practicing a lot while I was studying, and you are the guy. I still remember whenever I tried to use my phone in the lab, and you kept on saying me that don't use your phone, don't use your phone, keep practicing, keep practicing. That's the thing that motivated me a lot, and
That's right.
I think that
That's right,
helps me
guys.
a
So
lot.
you need someone to push you through, and then yes, you need to practice. Practice is something which will make you used to the exam pattern and will give you confidence. Yes, I know this task, I know this task, and I'll be able to smash it. If you think that you'll just go and sit for the exam, clear it, it's hard, guys. Make sure you practice a lot, and then only you'll be able to do it. Talking about your listening, 89 in listening, very rare. Listening is one of the section. A lot of students out there, they are struggling. What do you think is important for listening?
I think repeat sentences are the crucial part of listening. If you are doing repeat sentences nicely, then you are able to score
80.
even perfect 90 in listening. Yeah,
That's right, that's
I would say. And I remember when I used to travel in train or by car, I used to listen repeat sentences, and I think that's the key that I'm able to score 89 like,
That's
in
right.
listening.
That's right, guys. So practice again, practice and dedication. He used to travel. He used to listen instead of music. He used to listen repeat sentences, and now you can listen as much music as you want,
Yeah.
right? So, guys, if you are struggling in listening, don't just focus on listening. Focus on other sections as well, especially repeat sentences and read a lecture. Very, very important. You need to get repeat sentences 100% perfect if you are aiming for 8 each, guys. You are quite regular to lab sessions as well, mock tests as well. You used to sit whole day. You used to come straight away from work as well. How important are lab sessions to score 80 in PT, Manpreet?
I would say mock tests are the best thing to judge yourself. If you're not giving mock tests, you can't think about yourself that where you're lacking,
That's
where you stand. Yeah, so that's the biggest thing. So if you come to lab, give mock test regularly, then you will be able to score the.
That's right, guys. Mock test will give you a clear idea what are the mistakes you're making, because similar mistakes you'll go in the exam and will make the same mistakes, similar mistakes. So if you do a mock test beforehand, you'll come to know that yes, these are the things I need to avoid, these are my weaknesses, these are my strengths, and then turn those weaknesses into your strengths and then sit for the exam. Right? Mock test, very important, will give you a clear idea, guys. Let's wrap it off. Any piece of advice for students who are sitting in 70s like you were as well, and they are not really sure if they'll be ever be able to do it? Any advice for them, please?
Just practice a lot, do hard work, and be confident in the exam. That's it.
That's right, guys. Confidence is the key. Make sure you are confident, you believe in yourself, and then make sure you practice properly and have someone who will guide you properly through the process, will give you proper feedback, and will help you score 8 each in PT. Once again, congratulations, Manpreet. Well done. That's it from this video, guys. We'll be back with another video. Thanks, guys.